Good evening, VUS 499-001 students. Alright, gang, let's get to this. Alright, first off, thank you very much for the well-wishers. Yeah, shingles blows. If somebody who's 50 or older and is thinking about getting a vaccine, highly recommend that they do. Alright, so here's what's what. Okay, as I sent in my previous announcement to you guys, go onto the page here and read it, and you will see that everything's due by this Saturday, guys, alright? There's the information on how to go ahead and take the Peregrine assessment, alright? And to register. Once you've registered and taken, that's all you need to do. You do not need to send me anything. Please don't. I'll get notified by Peregrine. Please take this as it's worth 10% of your grade, and we need it for accreditation purposes. So that's point number one. Alright, so point number two, Canny Bus. Alright, I was really looking forward to playing this one with you guys, and Lord knows medical marijuana might be on the agenda for me right now, but hey, I'm a state employee, so forget it. But unfortunately, we can't. No. So instead, what I'll do is just give everybody full points for that assignment, so then it's all fair, okay? Alright, next, okay, the final company profile, that is due this Saturday as well. I have a Dropbox created for it. If you're wondering, okay, well, more about that paper, just to review. Use APA style, cite your sources. You don't need to add the annotated part of the bibliography. Sorry, typo. Just the references themselves. The paper should be no more than 15 pages, 12 font, Times New Roman, double spaced. Be sure to include a cover page, your name, my name, your company name on it, and page numbering, please. It'll make it easier to read. Yes, I do use originality. Don't cheat. Alright. If you want to know, well, what am I supposed to put in on this? Click here, my friends, and you will see. We've seen this before. Your required element. This goes all over the rubric of how I'm judging you, but here we go. Your paper should have the following components: organizational profile, the history, the introduction, your stock symbol, organizational mission, vision, board, leadership, etc. Internal. Your pestle, your Porter's 5 forces, internal, strategy development, SWOT. Talk about internal and external environment, your recommendations. My colleague said solutions. I like the word recommendations. Either way will work for me, okay? You do this, trust me. This sounds like a lot for 15 pages. It's not, hardly, in fact. If you do put together a graph of your own or something like SWOT or something, remember, just say source, author's research, but make sure in your references showed me where you got that material. Alright? Alright, that's pretty much it, gang. If you have questions, email me, but we've been going over this for the entire semester. I'm sure you're going to do just dandy. Alright, thanks, gang. Bye.